All right.
I'm behind it.
All right, coming out. That's full power. Rotating back.
Here you go. Come on, baby. Come on. Easy does it. Nice and slow. Eat up the real estate. Let it catch up some speed. Catch its breath. Sounds like it's kind of choked.
Yeah, it takes about 90% throttle just to keep it in the air. I wanted to try it on a 5S battery. Once it gets going, it's okay, except for in the turns.
Got any gear up?
No, this is fixed gear.
Oh, fixed gear?
Yeah. And it's a, put a little trim in it here.
It is a little slow.
Yeah, and that's full throttle. I've only come off about 10% the whole flight. Uh-oh, got a little high there. It looks good in the air, but look how slow it is in that turn, Paul. Now, granted, I put a little climb into it.
Just let it eat it up. Don't do anything. If you turn it too sharp, you're gonna lose too much speed. So yeah, big air.
Yeah, that's why I was.
Use the whole field.
See, it looks good when it's passing out in front of you.
Kind of looks like a big.
But look how slow it is in the turns, man.
727 up there, scale-wise to distance-wise up there.
Right. And due to the lack of grunt power on this, I definitely have not tried any aerobatics on it. No loops, even rolls. I've been hesitant to do anything.
I think you could probably milk a rollout out of a dive, but
yeah,
I wouldn't do it yet.
No, I definitely want to get a 5S battery and try in it though.
Is this a new battery?
It's had about 10 flights on this battery.
Well, it should be broken in by now. There you go. That's good. And it's a yank and bank. You don't have a rudder.
Exactly. So lining up on the landing is you can't steer to correct it. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So it's whatever it is, it is.
Just like my Shark has no landing gear, nothing. It's a belly lander, and your angle of descent is what you finish with.
Starting to cut back on the throttle now.
There you go. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Round back.
Oh, come out of it.
There you go. Good save. That'll count.
That was
Easy.
the good captain at this helm, Captain Kangaroo.
Like I say, Pogo Espinosa on the stick.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, try that again.
Looking good. Looking good.
Get out of the rough, Dave.
Yeah, you got a good one. Finish that. Perfect. Perfect. Yep. Pancake.
Oh, there went a gear. The gear is just on there with hot tape. Oh well, it's down in two pieces. Oh.